To set up the GPS Rover profile, start in the Instrument Selection screen and select GPS Rover. NavCom FieldGenius comes with two default profiles, an SF3040 and an SF3050. If you wish to create a new Rover profile, you can select the Add button. However, for this demonstration, we will be using a default profile. Choose your desired instrument from the Instrument Profile drop-down list. If you have previously set up your instrument profile, you can simply press the Connect button. Otherwise, select Edit to go to the GPS Profile screen. Here you can select the Antenna Height button to take you to the Antenna Configuration screen, where you can choose which antenna you are using from a drop-down list. You can also double-tap in the Measured Height button to enter the height of your antenna. Click on the Close button to go back to the GPS Profile screen. There are also buttons to allow you to enter settings for 3 different tolerance modes, which are defaulted as Starfire, RTK-X, and RTK Fixed. If you click on one of these buttons, it takes you to the Tolerance Settings menu for that tolerance mode. Here you can change the description, choose a solution from the drop-down list, and adjust the elevation, satellite view, and PDOP values. You can also adjust the horizontal and vertical standard deviation as well as the point tolerance rate. Click on Close to go back to the GPS Profile menu. Clicking on the Active Tolerance button takes you to a menu where you can choose an active tolerance mode. By default, the active tolerance is set at RTK Fixed. Be sure to change your active tolerance to match the navigation mode you will be surveying in. Otherwise, you will receive an error message when you try to store a point. Click on one of the tolerance modes to set it, or click Cancel to go back to the GPS profile. Clicking on Auto Recording allows you to set up NavCom FieldGenius's auto recording feature, which can be set in either distance or timed intervals that the user specifies. Clicking Close will take you back to the GPS Profile menu. The Model and Communication button will take you to the Model and Communication Settings screen. Once there, you can choose the make and model of your GPS Rover from a drop-down list. If you select one of the default profiles, the make and model will automatically be filled in. You can also change the port settings from a drop-down list to specify if you are using Bluetooth or a COM port to connect to the device. It is important to note that Bluetooth and COM are the only two supported communication protocols. Additionally, it is recommended to set up your receiver using a Bluetooth connection. To connect your Bluetooth device, you must first select the Bluetooth Search button. This will bring up a list of available Bluetooth devices. Locate the device that matches the model number followed by the serial number of your receiver and select it. By default, no Bluetooth pin is required when using the NavCom SF3040 or SF3050. If you wish to assign a Bluetooth pin code to your SF3040 or SF3050, please refer to the BTSET input command in the Sapphire Technical Reference Manual. Select OK to continue. At the bottom of the screen, there is a Connect button and an Exit button. Press Connect to connect to your GPS Rover. You will be asked if you would like to initialize raw data logging of GPS data. It is recommended that you select Yes for the purposes of post-processing and data analysis, in case problems occur during fieldwork. Once you select Yes, NavCom FieldGenius will take you to the GPS raw data logging screen. On this screen, you can also view data logging files you've stored, format your memory card, and start or stop data logging. It is recommended that you format your SD card if this is your first time logging data. Once your SD card has been properly formatted, select Start Logging and NavCom FieldGenius will begin logging raw GPS data to the SD memory card. Press Close and you will be taken to the Link Configure screen. Here you will configure your link device settings. These settings will be covered in detail in other videos. So for this example, we will use the defaulted UHF radio module with its default settings. Select Connect to be taken to the Map View screen. Your GPS Rover profile is now configured.